The ESR iPhone 15 Pro case offers military-grade protection with a clear, scratch-resistant back cover that showcases your phone's design. Compatible with MagSafe, it ensures easy wireless charging without removing the case. The built-in stash stand allows for hands-free viewing in both portrait and landscape modes, adding functionality and convenience. Part of the Classic series, this case combines durability, style, and practicality, providing premium protection while maintaining a slim, The SPIDERCASE Magnetic case for iPhone 16 Pro offers military-grade drop protection with a slim, clear design that showcases your phone. It includes two tempered glass screen protectors for added defense against scratches and impact. The case is compatible with MagSafe, ensuring seamless wireless charging, and features an invisible kickstand for convenient hands-free viewing. This sleek, durable case provides maximum protection without compromising style.
The SPIDERCASE Magnetic case for iPhone 16 Pro offers military-grade drop protection with a slim, clear design that showcases your phone. It includes two tempered glass screen protectors for added defense against scratches and impact. The case is compatible with MagSafe, ensuring seamless wireless charging, and features an invisible kickstand for convenient hands-free viewing. This sleek, durable case provides maximum protection without compromising style, making it perfect for safeguarding your
The ESR iPhone 15 Pro Max case provides military-grade protection with a clear, yellowing-resistant, and scratch-resistant back. Designed for compatibility with MagSafe, it allows for effortless wireless charging while keeping your phone secure. Part of the Classic series, this case combines durability with a slim profile, ensuring your iPhone 15 Pro Max stays well protected without compromising its sleek design. It's perfect for maintaining your phone's original look while adding robust defense. The OtterBox Commuter Series case for iPhone 15 Pro Max offers slim yet tough protection in a sleek black design. It is pocket-friendly and built for durability, providing robust defense against drops and bumps. The case includes port protection to keep dust and debris out while maintaining easy access to all buttons and features. Ideal for everyday use, this case offers a balance of style, protection, and functionality, ensuring your iPhone 15 Pro Max stays safe from daily wear and tear.